That's Miami. A little further up is Fort Lauderdale. It is quiet out here. Peaceful. The new world.
To dinner. We're very hungry. We haven't ate much today, so it's going to be delicious. And I think I already know what I'm getting. So here we go.
All right, so we're heading down to dinner, and then we're going to go to the pesky parrot.
Yeah, I'm going to get a
I'm going to show you that
it looks
pesky
really
parrot.
Neat. It's a TV
He's
hut.
so looking real.
Yeah,
He's so
there you
real
go.
looking.
Okay.
All right, bye. Again, she's very hungry. And I got the same thing, French onion soup. Yum yum. Babe.
French onion soup, and I'm so hungry.
Again, she's very hungry. And I got the same thing, French onion soup. Yum yum. Alright, she just said she was full, but yet she's eating them before I get to them. Weirdo. She got different. Shrimp cocktail. I got Caesar salad as my second appetizer. Alright, she just said she was full, but yet she's eating them before I get to them. Weirdo. She got different. Shrimp cocktail. I got Caesar salad as my second appetizer. Terry got Tom turkey with sweet potatoes and macaroni and cheese and French fries. I got mashed potatoes and turkey and corn. What babe?
I got a chocolate tart.
Looks like a flying salsa.
No, it ain't a bronze.
And apple cobbler with ice cream. That's one thing about Royal. They have a lot of the same stuff every night. It's scary in here. It's Halloween almost. Where are we going, babe?
We're not going. We're already here sitting waiting for the comedian. So we're at the comedian show. We'll let you know how it is.
And then we're going to the pesky parrot and get a drink.
We already told him that. We'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah, we had to skip the pesky parrot now. She's nudging me. Bye.
Welcome to our adult late night comedy show at 8 o'clock in the evening. How's everybody doing today? Fabulous. Did you have a great cruise? Did you have a great weekend? Every day's a weekend, even though it survives.
I feel like if you're married longer than 20 years, you could almost not tell your spouse you're going on one of these cruises.
How many of you folks saw us the other night at the midnight show? Some of you guys, you came back, yeah. So we break.
Midnight, although we're capping it off.
Well, took this on.
Yeah, that's what I won. 46, and then I won $150.30.
On a 75-cent bet.
75-cent bet, I won $150.
I'm betting $2. I won nothing. Shoot.
I'm so happy.
Right. So anyway, lazy day today. Sat by the pool, and
Gambled all day.
I gambled most of the day, but broke even pretty much.
Did go to the comedy show. It was
Yep,
gorgeous.
as you saw. And that's pretty much all we did today because it was a sea day, but yet we, as you saw in the video, we're running up and down the coast of Florida. We can see Miami, Fort Lauderdale. That's how close we are. Are we really out far enough to gamble? I'm sure we are.
But we got to get a real early at 6 o'clock. It's going home then.
Yep. Anyway, fun 7 days, back to back, so fun time. Next up is the Paradise, back to back on the 19th.
Show how pretty this is.
19th and 23rd.
Show
Yeah.
how pretty this is.
All right. Yep.
So pretty.
Anyway, so we'll see you on the Paradise. Say bye.
So good.
Oh, that's why we drink them.
Cheers.
See ya.